Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is not here at Straight Talk. It is now available for $699.99 or $29.17 a month for 24 months, and it's available in black. Alright. So if you guys are looking to get like a flagship type of smartphone on the cheap, really, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is the phone for you. It has flagship specs for a bit cheaper than the regular Galaxy S23. So, yeah. So there is the front right there. You guys got your front there. Your whole punch way front facing camera is on the top here. It's very hard to see because of the color. Of course, you have your power button, the volume keys on the right side of the phone. And then on the back of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is your triple camera system. Camera for Samsung logo. So, yeah. It says everyday essentials for you. Get more out of your passions with the phone that's designed to elevate your everyday, whether you are binge watching shows or capturing shots for social. Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is jam-packed with features that help you get more out of whatever you're into, including a long-lasting battery, a premium processor, a smooth and strong display, a triple lens camera, and more. Alright. So there is a front and back of the phone there. Very nice. Specs: the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition has 13.1 days of standby time. It has of course, it has 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, CDMA. Obviously, it's going to use Verizon towers. Dimensions are 6.22 inches height, 3.01 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. It is 6.4 inch display. It's I think it's curved display, I'm not really sure. Rear camera is 50 megapixel, 12 megapixel, ultra wide, and 8 megapixel telephoto. Camera lens on the back and 10 megapixel. Front facing camera, 36 hours of battery, Bluetooth 5.3, I mentioned that earlier. Octa-core processor. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, I think it has the same processor as the Galaxy S23, I think it has like the same processor as the flagship Galaxy S23 series, but the price is a bit cheaper, so. You do have GPS and net compatibility. It's 36 hours of talk time. It has 128 gigabytes of storage or 256 gigabytes of storage. And the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition weighs 7.37 ounces. The 128 gigabyte version is $699. This is what Straight Talk has right now. Now I guess the 256 gigabyte version, that'll probably be $799, I guess. I don't know. So yeah. So what comes with the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is, of course, the device itself, Type-C to Type-C cable, and your quick start guide. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick, right? Features: do more with epic battery power. Get the power you need for the things you love with a smart battery that keeps you going all day and into the night. Smooth, dazzling tough. Do more on a screen that's super durable and easy on the eyes, whether you are outside or inside, day or night. Look sharp tonight and every night. Capture crisp images no matter the lighting with night photography. Capture scenes and stunning detail. Share every detail of any moment with the impressive high-resolution camera. Do it all. Processing power. Appreciate live streaming. video editing and multitasking with a premium processor. Experience seamless connectivity. Get more out of your favorite activities when you sync with Galaxy Buds Fan Edition and Galaxy Tab S9 Fan Edition. So that's pretty cool there. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. It's now here at Straight Talk. It is now available for $699.99 or $29.17 a month for 24 months. This is the 128GB version that we're looking at here. I'm sure that Straight Talk offers the 256GB version as well. So if you guys are looking to get like a flagship phone for like a cheaper price, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is the phone for you. So it has all the features and specs that you guys want for cheaper, so that's nice. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.